We're about to break a little toaster oven. It's a huge piece of crap. We basically fried some more crap in there. It was given to us by Vicky. Thank you, Vicky. And today we're just going to beat the hell out of it, Cory and Lando style. So let's do this, man. Come on. Oh! Come on! Oh, that was good. That was a good one. One of the weird things about this thing right here, it's still working. Listen really closely as it's still ticking. It's still ticking. You done? I know, it's dead! It's dead!